In this video, I'll show you how to use RecCloud, an AI-powered speech-to-text tool, text-to-speech, and video translation tool to automatically transcribe your audio or video files into text and do a whole lot more. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, RecCloud, as I've mentioned, it's an AI audio and video processing, more or less tool that's available online, and it has a couple of things that you can do with it. You can do AI speech-to-text, AI subtitle generation, AI watermark removal, AI video and audio summarizer, which is really good, AI vocal remover, AI video translator, AI text to speech, AI video generator, AI video clip maker. Now, you can also record screen online, trim videos online, crop videos online, merge videos online. Those are just some of the few things, and these more or less the same thing, but now kind of put into the different options that are available. Now you can download it for the App Store, Google Play, and Windows. Now, if you use the link in the description below, you can get 10% off for the online version. They do also have an API, and you can check the API pricing and API doc. Now, as for the pricing, as I mentioned, you can see you can use it for free, but the free version is more or less a free trial of about 10 minutes, but you can see the different options that you get right here. So you can see the features and how they charge, and if I scroll down and compare the plans, you can see that as for the free one, simultaneous task, 2 GB file limit 5, online recording, and data retention 1 month, free trial access. Now if you get the rest, you can do a ton of things with that. Now as for the free version, let's say transcribe speech to text. Let's say if we decide to do this, the free AI speech to text online, and scroll down slightly, what I'm looking for is there a free plan? Yes, that's with the free plan on us. We offer 1 free conversion to try the complete service. If you love it, upgrade to unlock unlimited use and powerful AI features. So I've gone ahead and signed up for a paid version so that I can show you how everything looks like. I'll just log in. Now once I'm logged in, this is what it looks like. This is more or less the start position. You can see the AI tools at a glance right here. You can see AI speech to text, AI video translator, AI subtitle generator, AI voice generator, AI video and audio summarizer, AI watermark remover, AI video generator, AI video clip maker, and all the rest of other tools that are available here. So if you're on Windows, you can download it, and if you're on Android and iOS, you can download that too. Now let's use the AI speech to text to help us automatically transcribe our content. Now for this one, you can either upload, record, or get from a URL. So you can paste in a video link from YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Now for this one, I'm going to upload a file, and there's also the option for batch upload, but for this one I only have one file that I'm just going to drag and drop right there. It's a video, so you can see the file formats are supported right here: MP3, MP4, MOV, WebM, WAV, and so on and so forth. So it's really good, and you can see the max length is 5 hours. So there we have it, and we've got a good interface to kind of see what's going on. Let's see, what are you going for? Accuracy based on the model that you actually choose, but let's just go for standard. And as for the summary, I can just go for a detailed summary, and because I'm the only speaker, I'll not do the identify speaker, so I'm going to click on get transcript, and once I do that, it's going to start transcribing everything that is in this particular video right here. So it's at 10%, and as you can see, files are going to be able to saved in my projects for later access. So once it's done, you can always visit my projects to see the files that are available right there for you. So we're going to give it a couple of seconds, and once it's done, we're actually going to see the results and the quality of the transcript that we get. Now once it's done, you're going to get something like this. So it's the AI polished, and you can see what goes on right here. So if you kind of play this, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to flatten a PDF for free online without the need for Adobe Acrobat. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now the quality of that transcript is really good. Now it's good that we also get the summary right here, and it's more or less a detailed summary with everything as you want it to be. So I can actually just close this, and you can see the different options that are available for us right there. So we've got the option to translate this particular transcript. You can also find and replace, which is really good. You can also make edits to your transcript, and also you can also copy. But let's assume you're satisfied with everything. I'll just click on export, and you can go for the AI polished, or just go for the transcript right there, or go for the summary. So let's say we go for the transcript, click OK, and you've got that right there. It's going to be saved as a doc file, and you can see it right there with the speaker and everything that you'd like to see in a transcript. And that's it for this video. That is how you can use RecCloud to automatically transcribe audio into text super fast. Now you can also do translation, you can also do subtitle generation, you can also do some watermark removal and all the other things that we talked about. So if that's something you like to do, kindly use the link in the description below to try it out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning. Thanks for watching.